Marvel directors Joe and Anthony Russo fully support the decision of the simultaneous digital and theatrical release for Patty Jenkins' Wonder Woman 1984. In a recent interview, directors Joe and Anthony Russo were asked their thoughts on the digital release of Patty Jenkins' Wonder Woman 1984, which is set to simultaneously premiere in theaters and on HBO Max. Patty Jenkins made something that she put an incredible amount of love and joy into, and now she's ready to share it with the world, Joe Russo told Collider. Circumstances are dictating that having options for people to view things are best. Certain people want to see it in the theater, and other people for health reasons might need to see it at home. Joe Russo went on to explain that Jenkins' choice for a simultaneous release was a bold and brave one. "I do think that this is the future of the business, that there can be room for both digital and theatrical and, in fact, both could perhaps enhance each other's business and experience," he said. "But there are lots of people around the world that have greater access to digital than they do to theater, and this is just one way to reach those people. So as an artist, if you want to get the most eyeballs, I think that a joint theatrical and digital plays an incredible way to do that." The Russo brothers have directed Marvel movies like Avengers, Infinity War, Avengers, Endgame, Captain America, Civil War and Captain America, Winter Soldier. A simultaneous digital and theatrical release for Wonder Woman 1984 is an unprecedented decision, one that was made by Warner Media following a lackluster box office performance from Christopher Nolan's Tenet. The circumstances Joe mentions are in regards to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, which has fundamentally changed the moviegoing experience, with theaters across the country shutting down. Regal Cinemas recently closed the doors to all of its theaters in both the United States and the United Kingdom. So, guys, I know you all want to watch Wonder Woman movie, and please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.